Jemmy once again proved why she's the GOAT.
She's not the goat, please.
Hey, she's the GOAT.
Australian pitch is not working for us at all.
I mean, वो तो कभी काम नहीं करेगा भाई. You have to adapt to the pitch first of all. And ये तो वाका में हुआ था. Like वाका is Perth, right? This is Western Australia.
What? How?
Not sure how. I have no clue. I won't claim to have any idea about these pitches. Biological.
Let's use Google Gemini. Gemini is the official sponsor of. Let's do it in their way. ठीक है? Google Gemini on करते हैं. Hey Gemini, can you please tell me the pitch report of Waka Stadium in Perth?
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
The WACA ground in Perth is currently hosting the one-off pinkball test between the Australia women and India women as of March 6 to 7, 2026. The pitch is living up to its reputation for being fast and lively, but it has some specific day-night characteristics that are influencing play. Here is the breakdown. Current pitch conditions. March 2026. Pace and bounce. The surface is offering significant extra bounce, which has already troubled the Indian top order. Fast bowlers are finding plenty of carry through to the keeper.
This is much better than I expected.
हाँ, much better. सही में दे रहा है. बताओ जेमिनाई स्पॉन्सर कर रहा है पूरा का पूरा, तो अच्छा तो थोड़ा बनता है.
But like, it's a good recap. Very good recap. Because जो तुमने विकेट नहीं देखा उसका, वो क्या कहते हैं, जॉर्जिया वॉल का विकेट विद सयाली नाम है ना?
सयाली प्लेइंग सो वेल भाई. उसका सही जा रहा है वो लाइन, और मतलब लाइन तो बहुत ही अच्छा जा रहा है
भाई. वो बॉल इतना इन स्विंग हुई, लाइक तुमने लाइक यू बोल्ड इट ऑन ऑफ एंड उसका लेग स्टेम जाके हिट हुआ प्रॉपर.
और वो देख शी वाज क्लूलेस.
हाँ भाई, कंप्लीटली लाइक इतना बैट और पैड के बीच में गैप था भाई. बुर्ज खलीफा घुसा दो वहां पे, पर लाइक इतना गैप. कमिंग बैक टू द मैच, जेमी वंस अगेन प्रूव्ड व्हाई शी इज द गोट.
शी इज नॉट द गोट, प्लीज.
शी इज द गोट.
एक तो मैं जेमी के बारे में कुछ बोलती हूँ, 10,000 लोग आ जाते हैं कमेंट सेक्शन में, ऐसे आप कैसे बोल सकते हो, कैसे बोल सकते हो आप.
सी देखो, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वो भी जेमिनी ने बोला ना, पिच वाज वेरी लाइक हार्ड टू बैट ऑन, राइट? इतना बाउंस हो रहा है, इतना ग्रास है पिच पे, ठीक है. एंड डिस्पाइट दैट शी लाइक
stayed at the crease.
Stayed and like she what do you say? Like she toughened it out. What do you call it, bhai? Like that term which these people use. Are she kind of like पूरे ground पे like she played what 80 balls, right?
What is the word?
Like she battled it out. मतलब मेरे को तो यही याद आ रहा है भाई.
What is the meaning of the word that you want to say?
Like she कि वो पूरे दिन खड़ी, like she played 84 balls, right? And she was there for what 2 hours at least पूरे दिन. So like she kind of you grind it out out on the pitch.
No, she did what it required for her to do and for other players also.
Yeah, like that's how you play a test match.
Yeah.
Right, simply. So वही चीज, and nobody did that, I feel.
What are you expecting from tomorrow? Do you which is the score where you think that we can restrict Australia? We are already wait,
like they are 3 down, okay.
They're 3 down for 96 in 27 overs, which is such a good score.
Like, which was like I think 20 overs से पहले अगर तुम देखो, see उनका विकेट गिरा था, उनकी 20th ओवर में एलिसा हिली गॉट आउट एंड उनका स्कोर था 58, राइट? इन द नेक्स्ट 7 ओवर्स इट वेंट फ्रॉम 58 to 96. वो लास्ट के 7 ओवर्स में दे रियली लाइक वेंट डाउन, लाइक कि एक्सेलरेट किया उन्होंने बहुत ज्यादा, पेरी ने एंड सदरलैंड ने. अगर वो ना किया होता, वो कुछ एंड में बाउंड्रीज ना लगे होते, तो वी वुड हैव बीन मच बेटर.
ये ना किया होता वाला लॉजिक मेरे को इतना, मैं बताऊं, सॉरी आई विल जस्ट इंटरप्ट एंड टेल यू समथिंग. मोहम्मद आमिर को पूछा गया था कि सेमीफाइनल में कौन जीतेगा था, उन्होंने बोला था इंग्लैंड, ठीक है. अभी उनको मैच के बाद पूछा गया कि आपने तो बोला था इंग्लैंड, तो वो क्या कहता, अगर हैरी ब्रूक वो कैच पकड़ लेता, अगर अक्षर पाटिल वो कैच नहीं पकड़ता, ये वो अगर मगर, ये इतना अगर से तो मैच चेंज हो जाता ना. तो वी कांट से दिस
thing, right? What else can you do? Like you predict or you think like if this had not happened, this would have happened. Like that's the like you feel कि like अब वो, do you remember that dialogue in MS Dhoni वाला story, like that movie where he says कि तुम्हें पता है मैच कहाँ हारे? See, So you look back on things, right? You look back and see where you committed the mistakes.
But
So I'm saying,
listen, when you are predicting from afar, okay, and in a match which is semi-final or final high pressure match, so one of the things that you also predict or at least keep in mind while predicting is which team is better in handling pressure. The massive difference between India and England in the semi-final of T20 Men's World Cup was that India handled pressure much better than England did. Because England was there, just there. They lost just by 7 runs, which is like so little. I feel bad for them because they
why
played much better than we did. We thought it was just Sanju Samson, right, in batting.
and you like plus a lot of people else played, but I'm
But
saying yes,
yeah,
it's
Sanju just held the innings together, है ना? So anyway, continue. Yes, if Perry hadn't hit those two
no. I
fours.
think अगर हम वो end में जो like the boundaries which we got in the end, if they weren't there, like if you discount them, then we were in a good position because they were at 58. अगर score 70 कुछ होता and they were 3 down, then in the morning, like morning में first session में if we got 2-3 wickets, then we would have been in a good position. Let's see कल क्या होता है because
कल तुम्हें क्या लगता है what is a good score to restrict them on under
like hopefully 250 under 200 is like best for us and 250 I'm hoping 250 तक कर लें restrict because then if we bat and get at least 250 runs तो फिर उनके लिए chase करना on fourth day के end में will be a bit tricky. That's what I'm hoping.
I think that they will probably touch 300-ish. 300-ish. This is what I think. And if
Wait,
they do that,
4 test match, right?
hmm?
This is a 4-day test match.
Fuck, I had no idea.
And रणजी में भी होता है रणजी में जो normal group stage matches होते हैं those are 4-day matches.
Oh,
Only the final is 5-day वाला है फिर I think knockouts होते हैं जो होते हैं.
अच्छा.
But yeah, the state, yeah.
फिर तो थोड़ा चांस है नहीं फिर मैं कह रही थी कि if they restrict them to 300 by 300 tomorrow and if they like फिर भी almost 100 का difference होगा and then if they can stay at the wicket.
See, do you think this might end in a draw?
Of course.
I mean, I hope like we grind it out to a draw. If push comes to shove and we have to like somehow stay in the game, I hope we go for a draw. Because going for like I don't like ये baseball की वजह से ऐसा हो गया that we don't believe in draw, but because like women's test match में there is no championship to play for, right? You have to just win the test match or stay in the test match. Why not go for a draw?
Makes sense.
Yeah.